Today, May 31st, as the world celebrates World Parrot Day, we turn our gaze to one of Earth's most breathtaking and brilliant creatures, the parrot. Imagine a splash of vibrant color against a verdant canvas, a flash of piercing intelligence in their eyes, and the uncanny ability to echo human words. Parrots are far more than just beautiful birds. They are emotional, social, and remarkably intelligent beings. They forge lifelong bonds, communicate in astonishingly complex ways, and infuse every corner of their wild homes with an undeniable energy. With over 350 known species, from the tiniest parakeet to the magnificent macaw, parrots bridge continents and cultures. Yet, a stark and dangerous truth binds them all. Their future is teetering on the brink. World Parrot Day, founded by the World Parrot Trust in 2004, isn't merely a day to admire their charm. It's an urgent call to action, a desperate plea to sound the alarm. Behind their dazzling beauty lies a deepening crisis, and the clock is relentlessly ticking. Across our planet, parrots are vanishing at an alarming rate. From the dense canopies of the Amazon to the ancient forests of Australasia, their vital habitats are being relentlessly destroyed by agriculture, development, and logging. Nests are plundered, chicks are ripped from their homes and trafficked into the brutal illegal pet trade, and climate change continues to decimate the delicate ecosystems these birds depend on for survival. Parrots are not just victims, they are cornerstones of the ecosystems they inhabit. They are vital seed dispersers, forest regenerators, and crucial balancers of plant life. Without them, entire habitats unravel. Their presence sustains life. Their silence signals collapse. The vibrant chorus that once resonated through canopies and coastlines is growing eerily, tragically quiet. World Parrot Day is a direct challenge to us all, to listen and to act. Across the globe, individuals, zoos, rescue centers, and conservation organizations are uniting. They are raising critical awareness, funding urgent rescue missions, fiercely protecting natural habitats, and tirelessly campaigning to end the barbaric trade in wild-caught birds. Organizations like the World Parrot Trust and the IUCN are on the front lines, fighting to conserve vital habitats, rehabilitate rescued parrots, and halt the brutal wildlife trade. The power to ignite change rests with you. Say an unequivocal no to wild-caught parrots. Support ethical sanctuaries that provide genuine care, not exploitation. Educate others about the plight of these magnificent birds. Talk about it. Post about it. Share their story. Use your voice, loudly and clearly, so these incredible birds don't lose theirs. They have mimicked our words and echoed our laughter. Now, it is our moral imperative to fight for their right to live wild and free. Because if the forests fall silent, we lose more than just their breathtaking color. We lose their voice. Forever. What action will you take today to help protect the parrots of the world?